Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody needs some. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinator back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing "Somebody" by Justin Bieber. All right, let me just restart the song because I was right at the end just jamming to it because it's such an amazing song. Anyways, we are playing the following chords. So we have open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. That's your C. And then we have a D, open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then we have E minor, open, 2, 2, 1, open, open, open. And then we have a G, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. So we have C, 5, 4, 3, 2, that's the strings I'm strumming, and then D, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we have E minor, 6, 4, 3, 2, and then we have G, which I'm plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. So we have C to D, and then E minor. Hold on. Everybody needs somebody. So we have C, na, 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 and then D. And then we have an E minor going to. Oh, hold on. I thought there was a G right there, but it sounds more accurate to play a D. So we have C, and then we have D, and then E minor. And then back to D. Everybody needs somebody. C to D. E minor. And then another D. Oh, the G is a passing chord. Alright, so before you get into the next progression, you play a G. So everybody needs some C. D. The same progression you have in your verse and your chorus, but there's a change in the pre-chorus, so let me play that for you. C. Okay, so that's your when I'm with right, the it's okay, we gon' try whatnot, right? That's the pre-chorus, and it's C to D, C again, to D again. And you can use the same strum throughout the song. Let me just scroll to see if we have a chord progression change. Maybe there's a bridge or something. You never let go, but you need somebody, somebody. Everyone's gone if you need me. Shoulder you cry on. Body needs somebody. Alright, so we don't have a bridge. So that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.